Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve day 13 LetCode May challenge, and the problem name is remove k digits. The problem statement states that given a non-integer number num represented as a string, so number integer will be given as a string. Remove k digit from the number. So we have to remove the k digit from a number so that a new number is smallest possible. So the new number will be the smallest possible number from removing after removing that k digits. So here are some constraint. Then the number length should be less than 10002 k. Okay. The given number does not contain any leading number also. So leading number is also not as 0. So here is the example. Number is 1432219 and k value is 3. Means we have to remove 3 digits from this whole digits such that it becomes the smallest digit. So obviously the left we have to in this we have to traverse from left to right and remove and try to remove three smallest digits. So if we consider wisely, then we can see that after removing 4, 3 and 2, these three number, then the number becomes the smallest possible number. We can check it out. Similarly, in this 10200, if we have to remove only one digit so that it becomes the smallest possible. So we will remove this one, and leading 0 is not allowed. So this will be automatically removed. So it becomes 200. Okay, and now number is 10, and we have to remove two digits. So if we remove two digits, then it becomes 0. None of the digits remains. So the best way to implement is stack. We can implement in a brute force also, but it will not yield in a good approach. So we will try to go with a stack approach. So here is my Python code. Firstly, we are defining a empty stack or a list. We can say stack as a list as a stack. Sorry. So we are defining a stack, empty stack. So this is a stack. This is after an iteration. It is will be looking like this. Okay. So for x in num, so x is a variable in num in this. So x will be pointed to this one initially. So x is 1. Now coming into this loop, while stack. So while stack is empty. So this loop, these three line will not run. Condition false. So stack dot append x. So we have appended value x. Okay. Again, the x will be incremented. Now x become 4. So now x become 4. So this x is replaced by 4. Now coming into the loop, while stack, yes, stack as an element. Now stack minus 1, we are checking the stack top. Stack top is greater than x. Stack top is right now this. Top is pointing to this. Okay. The stack top is 1 and the element is 4. No. So this loop will not execute and append x means append we have to append 4. Now again x will be incremented. Now x will become 3. So now x will become 3. Now again coming into the while loop, while stack, yes, stack has containing these two elements right now, this two tick element. Now stack minus 1. So stack top is 4. 4 is greater than x. X is 3. Yes, it is greater than x. And k value. K is right now 3. So we have to pop the first top value. So we have popped out. We have popped the first value. Okay. Now decrement the k value by 1. So this 3 is now become 2. 3 become 2. Again this while loop will execute till the stack is not empty or stack will not void. This condition means we have to remove till element, those element from the top till the element become smaller or equal to x, the given pointing element in the num, or the case becomes 0. The main point is here till the same element or lower element not found. Now again stack top is 1 now. Stack top 1 1 is stack top is greater than x? No. So it come out for the loop and append x. Now appending 3. So this element is already removed. Okay. Okay. Now again num is incremented. Now num is pointing to 2. Next element 2. Now again is while stack is not empty, stack minus 1. Stack top is now 3. 3 is greater than 2, yes, 3 is greater than 2, and k's value is also 2, so this whole condition is true. So stack pop means this 3 will be popped out from the stack and k value will be decremented by 1. So now k is equal to 1 and stack top is still 1. Now again loop will go while stack, yes, the stack is not empty, and stack minus 1 means stack top is 1. Is it greater than 2? No. So this while loop will not execute, and this stack dot append will dot x will execute. So append 2. So we have appended 2. Now again it will be incremented, now pointing to this 2. So again this 2 will be the x will be updated with 2. Now again is stack while stack, so stack is not empty, so 1. Stack minus 1. The stack top is at this moment right now. Stack top, so 2 is greater than 2, no is equal to, so this condition is not satisfied and we have to append the value of x again. So this 2 is appended, a stack top is here. Now the value is incremented and pointing to 1, so now x become 1. Okay, now our stack is empty, no, stack top value is 2. 2 is greater than 1, yes, and k value is 1. So we have to pop the element. So 2 will be popped out and stack top will now point to this. Okay. Now again loop will go. Will the stack top will stack is empty? No. Stack top minus 1 means stack top is greater than x. And sorry, the value will be decremented from 1 to 0. This value will be decremented, now k value is 0. Stack top is greater than 1, yes. Stack top is now this 2 is greater than 1, yes, correct. So and k value is 0, so this k is not satisfying, so now we have to append that value. So 1 will be appended, now stack top is at this 1. Okay, now 1 will be converted, incremented to another element which is 9. So again 9 while stack is not empty, k is 0, so this loop is not work and we have to append another value, that is 9. So now stack top is at this point. So finally it look like the stack will look like this. These are the popped element with 1 mark. Now we have to return the whole element which is in the stack which are remained, that is 1 4 sorry 4 is popped out, 4 2 1 and 9. So since these are in the type of list, so we have just concatenate this without using space, and from where to where, from the length of stack. So length of stack is 4 and minus k value is 0, so whole will be returned. And if this L strip 0 means if the leading number is 0, then we have to remove that also. And if this is not satisfied, length of string minus k is not satisfying, then we have to return in other case 0. Simple is that. So this is the stack implementation. So length of stack is 4 minus k value is 0, so it becomes 4 and the list becomes 2119. So we will calculate and return this. So simple logic is this, and so see the Python code, the same code is written here, and we have run the code and submitted the code. So it is accepted. So for the raw code will be provided in my comment section as well in the top, and at my GitHub provide also this code for C++, Java and Python is available. So if you have the link will be given in the description section. You have to go and see there is May 13. So it is Python solution, is C++ solution, that is Java solution. So if you like the video, please follow my GitHub profile and YouTube channel and like, share our video, and thank you for watching the video.